Last time we have created our platforms, or we made our player jump from one platform to another platform and created new platforms, so on and so forth. Let us now create a main menu. So here I'm going to go into new scene and save this one, and also save this scene right away. And this is going to be our main menu. So here I'm going to say main menu. Here we are going to create a UI image with the canvas, of course. And I'm going to set the screen space camera for the canvas, drag the camera here, and I'm also going to set here scale with screen size 480 by 800 and set match width and height equally. Here I'm going to rename this one to background image, position it at the 0, 0, and choose one of the images. So let's say, I don't know, this one. So any image can do, so simply choose it and, well, set the native size here in order to rescale our image. And here I'm also going to create a UI text, which is going to be the name of our game. And I'm going to resize it, so something like this, reposition it at the x-axis, set its alignment at the middle, and change the font to the font that we have imported. And you can also change the color. I'm going to change it to white and also pump up the font size a little bit. And here I'm going to name it Jump Hero. So this is the name of our game, and we can reposition somewhere like this. And I'm also going to create a button. So here I'm going to use this button, and I'm going to remove the text from the button. And this is going to be our play game. So play game button. In order to get the image for our button, we need to go here in our sprites and here where we have our buttons. So simply set the sprite mode to multiple, and I'm going to quickly override it. So here, let's say compress true color, hit apply. Go here in our sprite editor, and I'm going to slice all of this. So this is going to be our play button. This is going to be our restart button, and this is going to be our pause panel, or excuse me, restart panel. So restart panel, and hit apply. And for our button, I'm going to, well, search for our play button, write this, hit the native size, so this is that button. And unfortunately I deleted a text, but we actually need a text, so again I need to create it, so I forgot about that. So here I'm going to say play text, and I'm going to position it at 0, 0, and I'm going to rescale it, so like this, and also set the alignment at the middle, change the color to white. Here I'm going to type play, and also change the font to the font that we have imported, pump up the font size, so something like this, and you can position it here. So this is what we have so far. And also what I'm going to do, and we can also, if you don't like the size of the button, you can also resize it. So we can resize the button like this. So let's say 320 by, I don't know, 250, or let's say 300. So something like this, and position it at the middle for the x-axis, which is 0. And here I can, well, position it. And I'm also going to create two images. So one image here, which is going to be our player. And here I'm going to use our player 0, set the native size, so something like this, copy and paste the image. So here I'm going to say player icon, and for this image is going to be platform, so platform icon, reposition it down, and here I'm going to use the platform and set the native size, so not this one, so actually I need to use this platform and set the native size. So okay, this is what we have so far. And now what I'm going to do is here in our scripts folder, simply create a new folder, main menu controller, and here I'm going to create a new C# script, main menu controller, and also here create a game object, which is going to be, well, the same name, so main menu controller. This is going to be a simple script, only having one function here, and that function is going to start our game. And I'll simply double click it, so MonoDevelop will open it. Here I'm simply going to say public void play game, so play game, and we are simply going to use our application dot load level, and we are going to pass our name, which is, well, gameplay, in order to load our level, which is, well, nothing hard. We already did this before, and I'm simply going to use now our play game button and attach our main menu controller. So click plus here, attach the main menu controller, and select here play game function. What we also need to do is go in the build settings and add the current scene to the build, and also go here in our gameplay and save this one and add our gameplay to the build. So now we are able to go to our gameplay. So if I press play now, we are in the gameplay and we can, well, play our game. So again, press play, go to the main menu, press play, and now we are in our game and we can, well, play our game. And we are practically done with our main menu. Next, we are going to create our restart game panel in order to prompt the user to restart the game when he dies.